Hey y'all, good morning. I just wanted to, I think, start recording this because this project could either be really great or really bad. But I also feel like it could be a resource and it can really help people. And so it's kind of in tandem, like with the other things that I've been working on and whatnot. But in my last, one of my last videos actually, I talked about getting this pink fabric from Hobby Lobby, and it was a remnant. And the idea was I'm just gonna make like a pink sweatshirt and maybe do like a sew along on how to like do a sweatshirt from scratch. And so I downloaded the Hickory Ensemble from Move Fabrics, and I said, okay, great, I'll just make the sweatshirt. Then I forgot that I had this sweatshirt fabric on order from Mood, and I was like, how cool would it be to do like a color block? So now this project has like grown literally arms and legs. And so when I downloaded the Hickory Ensemble, and this is a lesson in never say never, the pants were in the same file, and I was like, I won't need the pants, I'll never make the pants. And here I am like, oh my gosh, I have enough to make a color block jogger set. I need the pants. So thankfully, I didn't throw away the PDF files for the pants. And so today I'm gonna do some sketching to see kind of like where my imagination takes me with the color blocking. And I think I'm gonna document this. So this is day one of my color block jogger set. This is by no means an ad, a sponsorship, or anything like that. This is just like free mind creativity flowing. So follow along and I'll see y'all in a little bit. So first I sketched my idea and I thought about it for a day before I got into my project. And just as a side note, I will be linking in the description all of the fabric and my croquis and everything that I used for this project as well. So I did print out a size 20 in the pattern, and I recreated the pattern pieces so that I can lay them as a single layer versus on the fold. Then I cut my pieces based on how I wanted my color block from my sketch, and I made sure to add seam allowance to every side that was not part of the original pattern piece, and I also added notches for the connecting pieces as well. I also made sure to true up my pattern pieces to make sure that all of the seams added up once I would sew it all together. For the pants, I omitted the pocket and added the pocket to the side part. That way I could have the full width of the pants at the top, and I cut 2 inches off the front pant piece and 2 inches off the back pant piece to make the pink panel, which was a total of 4 inches, and then added seam allowance on the side as well. Hey everyone, so it's day 3 of me working on this project. So far I have just finished cutting all of those pieces, and I hope this goes well. So I'm gonna spend the next couple of days just sewing this together and hoping that it works out. So now here comes the fun part, which is the construction of the garment, and I am so excited to get into this. And so I made sure that all of my notches added up for my sweatshirt pieces and also for my pant pieces as well. Hey you guys, so this is day 5, I think. So I've got my little mood tag in there. My collar is on, my cuffs are on, and I have to attach the bottom waistband, and then I'm gonna be done with the sweatshirt. The one thing I'm really excited about is that my lines match up. Like, that was like the main thing I was really nervous about. Like, I was risking it all just cutting into this without a muslin or a toile, and I'm glad it's paying off, baby, because my lines match up. Okay, the moment that we've been waiting for. Oh, and she is so cute. Part of me is like, do I even need the pants at this point? But I gotta make the pants. And yeah, so I'm gonna go do that. And I'll see y'all in a little bit. Okay, it's still day 5. It's the same night, it's just later that night. I took a shower, eating my ice pop, my mango ice pop, and for real this time I'm gonna get started on my jeans. Sweatpants. Okay, so after like using 1,000 pins, my waistband is on here. From what I can see, there's no bunching or anything. So at this point, I'm gonna add in some elastic in the waistband. I'm gonna add in some elastic on the cuffs, and that's it. Okay, y'all, so I'm not finished with my pants. I've completed 3 rows of elastic. I have 2 more rows to complete, and then I have to do the bottom cuff. And the bottom cuff will just be like a 1-inch elastic band around the bottom. I'm gonna get up early. I'm gonna finish this. Might see me in my same clothes tomorrow. We'll see, and we'll go from there. All right, good night, y'all. I am wearing my Hickory Ensemble sweatshirt we just got here, and we are about to grab some dinner. I decided to put it with my red Just So sneakers that I got on Amazon. These leggings with some pockets in it, which I just kind of pulled over a t-shirt I was wearing when we were on the road. But now that it's a little bit chillier out, I am actually throwing this on, and we are gonna go grab some dinner and then call it a night.